Let's now shift our focus to some breaking news that's coming in right now. The Supreme Court has slammed the UP government over the school slapping incident. Remember, this particular incident had sent shockwaves around the nation, and the Supreme Court has now said that the approach of the UP government in this particular case is shocking. The Supreme Court has further added that no counseling was given to the victim by the government. This is the remark that is coming in from the Supreme Court in connection with the slapping incident that had come to light from the state of Uttar Pradesh, and this is the Supreme Court now asking what the UP government has done so far, because it clearly is going on to say that the approach of the Uttar Pradesh government so far in this particular case has been shocking and no counseling has been given to the victim student by the government. Remember, this is the particular school slapping incident which had sent shockwaves around the nation, and the UP government also had said that it will take stringent action against the teacher responsible. But now, from the latest what we are tracking, the Supreme Court is not happy with the Uttar Pradesh government's approach in this particular matter, and it has called it shocking, and also adding that the victim, the student, has not yet been given any counseling. My colleague Harish joins us on the phone line with more information on this. Harish, this particular case had sent shockwaves around the nation. A lot of governments had in fact reacted to this, and the Uttar Pradesh government also had assured of stringent action. But from what we see right now, the Supreme Court is clearly not happy with the action taken by the Uttar Pradesh government so far.
Yes, that's right, Ashish. This refers to the Muzaffarnagar, in fact, the school slapgate case. The Supreme Court has termed approach of UP government shocking. State has been pulled up for not providing counseling to the victim student. Principal Secretary of Education Department has been asked to be virtually present before the court on December 11th. Supreme Court has termed the approach of the UP government in the student slapping case as shocking. The court admonished the state for not providing counseling to the student victim despite court orders. The Principal Secretary of Education Department has been asked to be virtually present. Remember, the court was hearing petition filed by Tushar Gandhi seeking fair probe into the incident of a Muslim child in the school being slapped by his classmates as punishment on instructions of the teacher. On the last date of hearing, Supreme Court had said such incidents should shake conscience of the state. Supreme Court had said state government prima facie failed in complying with the RTE Act and asked what kind of quality education is this. Now, today, this bench said there is absolutely no compliance by UP government as far as providing counseling is concerned, and state is dealing with the issue in a very casual way. We have to find an agency for counseling, show us a single statement that the school has agreed to admit the student. Who is the secretary? We will require his presence. Saying so, the bench has summoned the top official of the government, and the bench said unless we pass order, they won't do anything. You have to take a stand whether you will do something or want only face saving. If students are treated in a state like this, then what is the use of expert counseling now after 3 months? So, saying so, the court said that we ask the Education Secretary to be present in next hearing virtually on December 11th. So the Supreme Court taking very, very serious notice of this issue for the state's failure to provide counseling to the victim student. Back to you.
Right, Harish, of course, we're tracking all the developments that are coming in with this particular case. Of course, this had sent shockwaves around the nation, and the Supreme Court now coming out with stinging remarks against the Uttar Pradesh government, calling its approach to this entire case very casual and stating that this is shocking the way it has been dealt with.